So once you have logged in into dashboard, you can check all the high level stats right in the dashboard page. Okay, if you want to monetize the traffic, then you can add any of the affiliate network relationship that you may have. If you want to check which all networks are available, you can click on this link and you'll be redirected on marketing page. And these are all the affiliate networks. The way Coupomated works is that we are not taking any cuts from your affiliate earning. And therefore, we propose you to create account with these networks directly. Creating account with these networks is not very complicated process. You can refer the details here, and you can also visit the login page and create the account if you do not have one. And once you have account created, you can manage, enter their affiliate key that they would provide. For that also, you'll get the details here, how you can find their affiliate keys from their panel once you have created the account. Okay, so all of these details are here. So you can configure this. If you do not want to monetize the links, you can skip these steps. Next step is the data feed. Here you will find list of all the merchants available in our panel. Based on your plan, you will be able to select the merchants. So there are almost about 855 brands available as of now. This number keep changes because some merchants are being added and some merchants are being removed. Here you will see offers for all your selected merchants. Currently in our database, we have 5657 offers and 1825 coupons. The difference between this is that there are some offers which doesn't require any coupon code. Those can be directly available. Let's say, 50% off on fashion products. And when you visit that, all the products are available with 50+% discounts. Whereas there are some where coupon code is required to avail the discounts. In case of Zomato, in case of in case of any other food app, there is this kind of system where you have to apply the promo code. Word replacement is basically for SEO kind of keyword replacement. Content reconstruction is also for that. If you already have an affiliate website and you want to map the merchant with already created merchants, you can enter your system affiliate, your system merchant ID and merchant name if you want it, and you can save it so that it doesn't create duplicate merchant on your system. If you do not have one, then this step can be very much explored. This is about the exploration. So here you could select the merchant that you want to add. Here you can see all the merchants available in our database, and also you can see all the offers available in our database. Then it will active for your selected merchants. Here it is for the all available in our entire database. And this is also about affiliate networks, which will redirect you to this particular page. Integration is important. So if you want to integrate this, you can get the API key from here, and all the available APIs are also listed here. And you can click on this and you'll be redirected to API documentation page. Here you can authorize it, enter your API key, and also validate the API response. Okay, so if you want to see list of merchants, you can execute, the try it out, and you can execute it, and you can check also. Okay, it will give you all the list of. So similarly, for all the APIs, you can check the sample API response also right here, and accordingly you can continue with the development. What we propose for the API integration is that you store the data on your database side, and from there you serve it to your users. You did not in real time hit our API because there is an API quota limit. So you store it in your database, and then from there you serve it to your users. There are some apps which essentially require some post-processing because we are giving, let's say, thousands of offers, but they want to pick only a couple of them. That also they can do by storing it in one of their import table, and from there they can separate it in separate table and then show it to their users. These are all various feed settings, and if you are WordPress-based system, you can use our plugin also. Then there are some tools again. If you want to create affiliate deep link for certain merchants, you can use it, and so on and so forth. So this is the high-level brief of Coupomated dashboard option available. If you need any more clarification, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be pleased to assist.
Get started for free today. Start your free trial at www.coupomated.com and autopilot your affiliate business today.